Hey there! Welcome to another Canva tutorial from Digifix. In today's video, let's see how to remove background of any image using Canva and put any background as you wish. First, go to Canva and select the design type you want. For example, I select Facebook post size. Then take any image to your design. You can add your own images or get images from Canva. I am going to take an image from Canva. Go to Elements and type what you need. It will present many options. I will take this image for my design. To remove the background of your image, click on it and go to Edit Photo. There you can see two options like BG Remover and Magic Grab. Click on BG Remover and it will quickly remove the background from your image. If you use Magic Grab option, it will separate your image from its background. Both these methods are perfect to change the background. Now you can put any background for your photos. If you want to use a solid color, click the background of your design. Click this color icon, and there you can select any color as you wish. If you want to create a color, click this plus icon and adjust to pick a color you want. If you want to add an image as the background, go to Elements, type what kind of image you want, and go to Photos section. There you will see many options to select. I will use this image. Then we need to take it to the background. Click on the image, click on this three dots, and click Set Image as Background option. Now your image has a new background. You can use this method to create your professional photos like your passport photos as well. Or you can create wonderful social media posts for your products using this method. Try this method and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.